Everybody keeps asking me how I'm building CarSaver.com. The answer is AI. About 2 weeks ago, CarSaver was just an idea. I've owned the domain name for quite some time, just, CarSaver, car, and then SAVR.com. So something that was, well brandable. Today, it's a fintech style website helping people save money on car ownership through insurance, auto loans, refinancing, warranties, calculators, and guides. And I'm building almost all of it with a tool called Emergent. No coding background, no development team, just a vision, thousands of prompts, late nights, and a lot of persistence. And the crazy part, Emergent isn't just writing code, it's helping build the front and back end. So this is really awesome. Check it out, carsaver.com.